first graders. Today we're going to talk about something called verbs. So what a verb is the action part of a sentence. A verb tells what happens in a sentence. We've talked about nouns before. Nouns are what the sentence or who the sentence is about, the person, the animal, the place, or the thing. Today we're going to talk about verbs, the action part of a sentence, what happens. So we're going to practice reading some sentences, and then we're going to identify the verb, and then we're going to change the verb, because what a verb can do, a verb will tell us if something has already happened, if something is happening right now, or if something is going to happen in the future. So we're going to practice finding the verb today, and then we're going to change the verb so it's something that happened before or in the past. Okay, I'm going to read this first sentence. If you know the words, go ahead and read along with me. Katie and Papa see the trees. Katie and Papa see the trees. Okay, so remember, we're looking for the verb. We're looking for the action part of the sentence. That means what happens. Okay, it said they see the trees. If they see them, that's what happens. They see the trees. So I'm going to underline the word see. That means it's happening right now. They see the trees. But if it happened in the past, if it already happened, we would change the word see to the word saw. Katie and Papa saw the trees. All right, let's read the next one. The people go to the store. What's the action? What did they do in that sentence? We know the noun is the people. It also could be the store. So the action or the verb would be go. They go to the store. That's what they do. So that means it's happening right now. They go to the store. But if it happened in the past, we would have to change that word go. Do you know what word we would change it to? How about went? The people went to the store. So now, oops, I wrote that kind of small. Now our verb happened in the past. They went to the store. Okay, next sentence. The kids come to school. The kids come to school. Okay, I know the nouns are the kids and school. Those are the people and the places. The verb is the action part. What did they do? They come to school. That means it's happening right now. But if it happened already, we would have to change the word come to came. The kids came to school. So when you're writing and you're using verbs in your writing, you're telling me what happens, that action part of the sentence, say it back to yourself. And if it's something that happened in the past, but your verb is telling me it's happening right now or it's going to happen in the future, you've got to change it. And that's something you'll keep working on more. So on your paper today, you're going to circle the verbs to finish the sentence. So this is what they do in the sentences. They give you the past tense verb, that means it already happened, and they give you the present tense verb, that means it's happening right now. You have to decide which one makes the sentence make sense. And then on the bottom part, you're going to write using a vocabulary word. So the vocabulary word today is tradition. This word is tradition. And what a tradition is it something that you do regularly at a certain time. For example, you might have traditions on your birthday. There might be something special you always do on your birthday. You might have a tradition you do on a holiday. That's something that you always do the same on a holiday. My kids, I asked them what their favorite family tradition was, and they said their favorite family tradition is Thanksgiving because we always get together with cousins, we have the same meals, and they think that that's really fun. One of my favorite traditions is at Christmas time, we always play Christmas music in the morning when we open our presents, and then we always have the same breakfast casserole. That's a tradition because we do it every year. So you're going to use that vocabulary word tradition on the same page, and the directions say, think about the family tradition your story will be about. So you're going to write a story right here. Write to tell about the tradition. And if you run out of space, you're going to need to write small in nice, neat end of first grade writing. If you run out of space, you can add some more lines here, or you can go on to the back side. So you're going to tell a story about your favorite family tradition. So if I was writing in words my favorite family tradition, I would say, my favorite family tradition is every Christmas morning we play Christmas music while we open our presents, and then we eat breakfast casserole. So I'm telling you what my favorite tradition is, when we do it. I'm giving you a little bit of detail so it's interesting. If you would like to have your parents take a picture of this and send it to me, you can. Heidi Fisher, great job on that work you're sending me. Logan, I've seen some of your work and your handwriting is so nice. Or you can have your parents send it back in with your packet so I can see it then too. All right, first graders, take care.